What's up everybody, this is Eping from Fairy Pixel. Today we're gonna do an overview of the Master Keys Pro mechanical gaming keyboard from Master. Now let's get right to it. There are 4 different Master Keys Pro. Master divide them into either RGB or white LEDs. Both of the versions come in 2 sizes, large and small. As for today, we're gonna focus this overview on the RGB version. The Master Keys Pro L has 104 keys, including a full number pad and 4 profile switching keys on the upper right corner. The Pro S has a smaller frame and does not include the full number pad. Both keyboards have a simple and straightforward rectangular design. The case of Pro S is built around the keys with no extra trim. The weight of metal internal frame and its rubber feet under the keyboard prevents it from moving while you type. The keys leave enough room for the LED glow to seep through, and there are 16.7 million colors for you to play with. Both Pro L and S come with a micro USB braided cable, but the connectors are different. Pro L comes with a straight micro USB head and has a smaller chamber in the bottom, so the USB port is concealed underneath the keyboard. You can also reroute your cable to both sides as you wish. This allows the USB cable to be safely housed and routed. Pro S, however, does not come with a cable chamber or routing channels. Instead, the Pro S uses an exposed right angle connector. Pro L offers macro recording features and can be handled in hardware by simply pressing function and F11. This invokes a micro recording mode where user can record arbitrary micros and set up playback. Pro S, however, does not offer micro recording feature on hardware. The Master Keys Pro can be set up manually or by software. The top row function keys give you manual LED light control. It can be used to switch to 10 levels of brightness and different lighting effects. Both keyboards can save up to 4 profiles. With Pro L, you can switch easily by pressing the 4 profile keys on the top. And for Pro S, according to the profile, you press function and the keys for number 1 through 4. The Master Keys Pro offers various LED effects, such as color wave, cross mode, single key, star effect, raindrop, color cycle, breathe, ripple, solid, and multi-layer, which allows you to combine different effects. Overall, for a medium budget, this is a pretty solid keyboard, which offers high quality and performance. And the best part of this is that you can even play the classic game Snake. Now that's a wrap. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. We will keep you updated. Until next time, this is Eping.